How to block someone on Facebook without waiting 48 hours. First thing you have to do is open up your Facebook app, and then from here make sure that you are logged into your account. So what you usually want to do here is if you want to find someone from your blocking list, you just have to tap on the menu icon at the top right and then scroll down until you find settings and privacy. From here you just want to head over to settings. Now, once you land on settings and privacy page, scroll down until you find audience and visibility, and right below profile and tagging, you'll find the blocking option. Tap on this one. And if you want to unblock someone, if someone is on block list and want to unblock, just tap on unblock. But what happens is if you unblock this person, he may be able to see all of your timeline or contact you depending on your settings, and you'll have to wait 48 hours if you want to block this person again. So just tap on unblock, and then from here what you're going to have to do is go ahead and tap on the search icon and search for that profile. And once you have searched for it, go ahead and tap on this and click on their profile. Now you're going to tap on the three lines right here, and if you tap on the block option, as you can see here, if you tap on block again, you can't block someone within 48 hours. So in this case, what you're going to do is report profile and then click on something else. Now from here, click on done. And once you have reported this profile, it will ask you to block this as well. So click on pretending or any other thing. Now, once you have done that, click on submit. And then from here, click on next. And here you can post from this person will be hidden, and it is submitted for Facebook for review as well. And in some cases you'll see the option to block here as well, so you can click on that block option and you will be blocked without waiting 48 hours. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.